Okay, so this is the explanation for sort 13. Now, the next few sorts, they're going to have words that have a CVVC pattern. So this is consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. And we're going to find that these words that have CVVC, they're going to make a long vowel sound. So this one is the A sound. So we've got the short A, remember that's ah, right? This should be a review. We'll just have some new CVC words in here. We have long A, that's the A sound. And we see those words when they have it's CVC and then there's an E on the end. And that E on the end, we say that's maybe like a bumper E, and it will make that V say it, or that vowel. So an A say its own name. So instead of saying ah, it will say A. And then we have our CVVC. So in this sort, our vowels, our vowel combination here is AI, kind of like in the word brain. Now, brain. Do you hear that A sound? Brain. Okay, that's being made by this AI vowel combination. Okay, so we've got words like frame. There's our A sound, but it's got an E on the end. We have words like flash, ah. That's our CVC word. We just have two letters here, right? We've got some blends. Now our oddballs in this sort, one of them has the AI sound, but it doesn't make an A sound. This is the word said. It's making an sound. That's not what those letters look like they should make. So that's one of our oddballs. Our other oddball of this sort is this word, want, because this A doesn't make an ah sound, it makes an want, right? So that doesn't make the sound that it looks like it should. That's an oddball, okay? Now, this sort also introduces words that are homophones. Now, homophones are words that look different and have different meanings, but say the same, but sound the same when we say them. So they look different, they mean different things, but when we say them, they sound the exact same. So let me see. I'll see if I can find some here within all of my words. Okay, here's some. This word, I'll move these over here. This word is tail. Tail, right? This word is also tail. Now these two words, they look different. They have different meanings, but they sound the same when we say them. So this tale is like a story tale, a fairy tale. This tail is like an animal tail. So they have different meanings, different looks, but they sound the same. Another example would be Maine and Maine. So when we start to have different combinations of letters that can make the same sound, that's when we start to get these homophones. So mane, as in like a horse's mane, like the hair around its neck, a lion's mane. This is in Main Street or main course. So there's different meanings for these words, even though they sound the same, they look different, they have different meanings. So you have to watch out for those. When you look at your key, you'll see that the homophones in this sort and in future sorts, they're in what we call italics, which means that the letters kind of look like they're slanted a little bit, like these words here and over here. So watch out for those in this sort and your next sorts.